Confidence. It's the one thing that can change everything. Whether you're walking into a room full of strangers or chasing your biggest dreams, confidence is your secret weapon. But here's the truth. No one is born confident. It's built, step by step. And today, I'll show you how to go from 0 to 100% confidence in 5 powerful steps. Let me start with a story. Meet Alex. Just a year ago, Alex couldn't even speak up in meetings. Self-doubt and fear of judgment held them back. Sound familiar? But what if I told you that Alex is now leading teams and inspiring others daily? How did it happen? Alex followed these exact steps I'm about to share. Confidence isn't about pretending to be perfect. It's about embracing who you are. Take a moment to write down your insecurities. Then, ask yourself, what's the worst that can happen if I fail? You'll realize fear shrinks when you face it head-on. Confidence grows with action. You don't have to climb Mount Everest tomorrow. Start small. Introduce yourself to a stranger. Share your ideas, or try something new. Every time you step outside your comfort zone, you're training your confidence muscle. Did you know your body language can trick your brain into feeling more confident? Stand tall, shoulders back, and make eye contact. Practice a power pose for 2 minutes before facing a challenge. It works like magic. Every little victory matters. Finished a task? Celebrate it. Spoke up in a meeting? Acknowledge yourself. Confidence isn't built overnight. It's a collection of small wins that add up over time. The people you spend time with shape your mindset. Find those who uplift and inspire you. Cut out negativity wherever possible. A supportive environment is a confidence booster like no other. Remember Alex? These steps transformed them from shy and hesitant to unstoppable. You can do the same. Confidence is a skill, and every skill can be mastered. Take that first step today. You have everything you need to succeed. Confidence doesn't mean never feeling fear. It means acting despite it. Start small, keep going, and watch yourself transform. If this inspired you, share it with someone who needs a confidence boost. And don't forget to subscribe to Flame of Inspiration for more life-changing lessons.